The Nissan Gravite will probably be coming in January, and this is Nissan's MPV. And I'm guessing that this will be a probably be a rebadged version of the Renault Triber with probably a higher quality interior and different looks. And while the concept does seem good, the Triber has a big problem, and it's the same problem that the Magnite has and the Kiger has, and that's the engine option. Because those two cars, the Magnite and the Kiger, had a more powerful engine, but the Triber doesn't, and this ends up being a rebadged version of that car with a 700 horsepower engine. That's just not enough power for a 3-row MPV, even if it's a small one. And I feel like Nissan needs to give us a more powerful engine and really take the market with this car.